Hey y'all, hey, this is Kiana from Kiana Marie Studio, and I'm back again with another video tips, tricks, and tutorials. So, what we're doing now is I'm going to show you another video on how I take AI images, and let's just go here as a starting point. So, I came in here and created, I'll go to the very first point. So what I asked it to do is to create a purple watercolor style footboard bench or bed bench clip art set against a solid white background, aspect ratio of 16 by 9. So these are the first images it gave back. And then basically what you do with ChatGPT 4 and DALL-E 3 is you talk to it just like you would in ChatGPT regularly. So if it doesn't give you exactly what you're asking for, you basically reiterate what you're looking for. So here I put no angle because I want it to be a straight on view so that I can use it as clip art where it can be put on a page and it's flat. But you can also use these too. So don't discount the images that come back not exactly how you like them, because this could be used in the scene creation as a off in the perspective kind of field into like a corner to make it look like that's a whole nother area of the scene or the room. So this is what I basically created. I'm creating them all the same colors I created, and y'all haven't seen that yet, but I made beds, I made dressers, nightstands, bedroom scene. So I'm working on that now for the clip art bundle. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to take the furniture and we're going to remove it from that white background. That's why I specifically ask for a solid white backdrop, sometimes comma background, so that I don't have anything really obstructing the image I want to remove with all that fluff and watercolor splats. And no, we don't want none of that. All right, so let's go back to Photoshop. So I pulled my image in. Let's see. All right, that's on that gray background. And this is pretty simple. It's really not super complicated. Some images you may have to clean up more than others, but for the most part, it's pretty straightforward. So I have my object selection tool selected, and then I'm going to go in here and click on the different parts. So when it turns pink, it's selecting that, right? Watch this. It is gorgeous. Now I just come over here. Well, my settings are already set. So my smart radius, I have my smooth at 10 just to smooth out the edges, no feather and none of this. And then the decontaminating of the colors at 100%. And we gonna click on OK. And there we have it. Our image is done. See how easy that was? Yeah, now you can use it as clip art without a problem. So then I go in here. Oh, I always do that. I act like I'm about to do something with that. I'm going to get rid of the original because I don't need it anymore. And then I'm going to take the masked one and convert it back into a smart object. And then I'm going to go down and rasterize. Simple, easy peasy, see? All right, so let's do a couple more. So I have these already ready to go just to pull in. Okay, go ahead and commit. And then let's click on our selection. Go to select and mask. Is there anything I need to clean up? I look to see if there's any red that I do want to include. So this here is when you want to select or remove something. That's the brush tool. And then I'm just gonna go over that little red part because I do want that included. All right. Let's look it over, make sure everything is everything. Zoom back out. I could get rid of that, but you know what? Let's see. I might want to get rid of that. Is this stark white? You know what? Nope. I'm gonna just leave it the way it is. Bumps it. It's not that big of a deal. All right. Then we're gonna go in here. Come on, my fingers don't want to work today. And we're gonna smart radius it. And we're gonna commit again. And there you have it.